Have you been turned down for a mortgage by the bank? Or maybe the bank didn't offer enough to buy the home you want? Don't lose hope just yet. There is a government-backed mortgage scheme in Ireland that could help. It's called the Local Authority Home Loan, and in this video, I'll explain what it is, who can apply, and the key things you need to know in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The Local Authority Home Loan is a government-backed mortgage designed to help people who cannot get enough finance from a bank or another mortgage lender. Instead of borrowing from a commercial bank, you borrow from your local authority, making home ownership more accessible for eligible buyers. So, who can apply? In most cases, you must be a first-time buyer. However, some fresh start applicants and certain people who inherited a property may also qualify under the scheme. Another important requirement is that you must show you've been unable to get sufficient finance from two regulated mortgage lenders in Ireland. This could be because your application was refused or because the amount offered wasn't enough to buy the property you want. There are also income limits. At the time of recording, the maximum gross annual income is €80,000 for a single applicant and €85,000 for joint applicants. You'll also need a good savings record for at least 12 months, a satisfactory credit history, and generally at least 2 years of continuous employment. If you're self-employed, you'll usually need to provide 2 years of accounts. Now, let's talk about the property. The home must be in Ireland, and the maximum property value depends on where it's located. For example, the limit is higher in Dublin, Kildare, and Wicklow than in many other counties. How much deposit do you need? Like most mortgages, you'll normally need a 10% deposit. At least 3% must come from your own savings, while the remaining amount can come from an unborrowed source, such as a genuine gift from a family member. Here's an example. Imagine you're buying a home worth €300,000. You would normally need a €30,000 deposit. At least €9,000 should come from your own savings, while the rest could come from a non-repayable family gift if eligible. Another common question is, can you use the Help to Buy scheme? Yes. If you're buying or building a qualifying new home, the Help to Buy scheme can be used towards your deposit, provided you meet the eligibility rules. The Local Authority Home Loan also offers fixed interest rates, giving borrowers the certainty of the same repayment throughout the fixed loan term. However, interest rates can change before your loan is drawn down, so always check the latest rates before applying. Overall, the Local Authority Home Loan can be an excellent option for people who are struggling to get a mortgage through a bank. But remember, you still need to meet the eligibility rules, show that you can afford the repayments, and provide all the required documents. Before you leave, let me know in the comments, if a bank couldn't give you enough for your dream home, would you consider applying for a Local Authority Home Loan? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple explanations about Irish housing, mortgages, and government schemes.